Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Red color, green color, blue color, pink color, orange color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: heart, rectangle, pentagon, star, oval and circle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Heart, next rectangle, next pentagon, next star, next oval, next circle. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart. Next, green color, rectangle. Next, blue color, pentagon. Next, orange color, star. Next, pink color, oval. Next, chocolate color, circle. What we learned? We learned red color, heart, green color, rectangle, blue color, pentagon, orange color, star, pink color, oval, chocolate color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.